Hey guys, before this video starts, I just wanted to bring your guys' attention to something very important. There's been an issue brought up that has been very important, and it is happening as we speak. T-Series is going to surpass PewDiePie in subscribers, and it is getting very close, in the 100,000s now. And guys, we need everyone's help. Everyone needs to subscribe to PewDiePie to keep him in the running for the largest YouTuber of all time. If you haven't already, please go subscribe to PewDiePie. Help out the cause. We'd appreciate it. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe. We're almost at 100 subscribers, guys. We are almost at my goal, everybody. We are so close, 5 subscribers away. If you are watching this video and you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Help me get to that goal. That would be amazing. Never thought I'd get this far. And, well, I appreciate everyone's support this far. Thank you all. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
I am going to make a bold statement. 25 days of Christmas?
Yeah, that
sucks. Okay. It's awful.
Run.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.